Hello everybody, car salon, Belgium 2018, E-Class 2018, V8, B-Turbo, 4MATIC, matte color, very special one. Hello sir, how much horsepower is this car?
How much horsepower?
Yes.
612.
612.
Yeah. 3.5 to 100. V8 B-Turbo. Bi-turbo.
Thank you very much,
4.0
sir.
liter.
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you, sir. Very special car. Very special leather. AMG in all the places. We're gonna go to inside E-Class. Magic car. Magic car. Okay, we go family. I hope I took nice small film. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.